Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back again to our channel. Commentators Analyzer TV. Always sakbo. Always sakbo. No be small, my people. This one today we dey Umenwan comment section. He don't seke for Umenwan page. He don't set. E don seke. The tori don war my gallant people. The war tori too much. Mona no memi o. Ovesakpo. My people, be like say na this afternoon Umenwan come drop one post. As he drop the post, guess wetin say Madam Felicia don carry Juju paper come for Umenwan. Why? Before I go fair like why social media Benin people presenters una no dey finish for Juju. Why una no dey finish for Juju? Everything about una na Juju. Everything na Juju. If person cough, una carry Juju paper come for am. If person piss, e no piss for where e suppose piss put, una carry Juju paper. Una no dey okay, una never challenge una self say I bring a Bible, make you come swear Bible. Everything about una na Juju. I bring Juju paper. Why e be like that? I know say most people go hate me for this word when I talk. I no care. Why e be like that? Why be say everything about una na Juju? Okay, Umenwan talk now. Okay, Umenwan wan do pay show. Juju paper come still come. Okay, you dey fear. Felicia dey fear me no expose am. You dey fear me Umenwan no expose you. Now you carry Juju paper come. Me Umenwan for no expose you. You get wetin you tell Umenwan? Or you get wetin you do with Umenwan when Umenwan want do pay show when you can't dey fear? Why everything about Benin people na Juju? It's too much. Una dey give Benin people bad name. So that I will dey some comment section, I will dey shame because of Juju one na dey carry the waka. Any small thing na Juju. Imagine now, they don't bring how many Juju paper come for Umenwan. Una wan kill her. If una kpai una wan chop her. Mat wey una take exchange word, una carry Juju come out. Benin people, muna try, muna change. No be all Benin o. No be all. Umenwan na Benin. Umenwan no ever carry Juju go give person. I no wan come dey make sure the names. Muna try, muna change. Juju one na dey carry up and down is too much. Now wan spoil the Facebook. Now wan use Benin Juju to spoil everywhere for Facebook. No be even one. Una don use am spoil everywhere for Facebook. If person talk, e no talk well, una carry Juju paper because you get the person WhatsApp. You just carry Juju paper go give am. Get the person WhatsApp number. If I say you not come get the person WhatsApp number, and the Juju people when they go they meet, now they pay me pass. Before person go tell you say I want some more this person, you go ask question. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Why you want some more this person? So my people, more go no see wetin Umenwan post. He say Felicia, this cannot stop the pay show not to hold more more paper please, come put emoji of laugh. So as I dey edit, I'll put the write up, okay, the post. So our first comment come say ebony pepper dance sweet. She come say, Mumu, did you read the last paragraph of this letter? It starts, it states their issue is not allowed on social media. Then why are you disrespecting them by posting this on social media instead of you to call them or wait till the appointment date? You are here disrespecting them by posting it on social media. Did you see Felicia posting it on social media? I can see you guys do not really have any fear in you. All you think of, all you think, all you think of this juju paper are child play. Frank, focus on your life and stop creating problem for yourself every time. It's really not nice. Your father was not what your father could be proud seeing all this, could not be proud seeing all this. My sister, people reply this comment. You say they say make Frank no bring the juju paper come social media. Felicia and Frank don't ever see face to face. Felicia and Frank no be social media and they forget issue. Why you can't say why they'll come write say Umenwan, you are not allowed to bring this on social media. Umenwan will come obey. Umenwan no fit obey them because this issue start on social media. So when the juju paper will come, they will still carry and come social media. So let's take our our next comment. They can't reply her. Okay, somebody can't reply her say, forget that what happened between them is it is it not social media. Have you go to Felicia page to see that she used the juju paper to to do page show? She is the one that break the law, not Frank Victor. Go and also talk to Felicia now, and now the way you take talk to Frank. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. He say make you go. Whether you don't go, whether wetin happen between this person now say wetin happen between Felicia and Frank, whether not be for social media, you don't go Felicia page say Felicia not use the this thing take do page show or you not post the this thing. May you go back. Ebony pepper sweet. May you go back. May you go talk to Felicia as you take talk to Frank. Truth, una dey fear to talk truth for this media. Something happen for social media, they go bring paper. So as una bring paper, now come want make una want do and hide. It's not done that way. As una bring paper, una go still do am for social media. As juju paper come, the juju paper will still come social media because now social media gbege for happen when juju paper take show. So Frank fans go still know say they don't bring juju paper. Na so let's take the next person wey reply ebony pepper dem. You must be a fool. Where did the issue occur? Try and get some sense and do not be senseless. Thank you, because the issue happen for social media. You no get any right to tell Frank not to bring the issue on social media because the issue na social media if it happen. So Frank gets every right, 100% right to bring that issue come social media. Maybe Felicia not tell dem for where for go bring the juju paper say na social media this thing for happen o. Na im make dem tell Frank say no carry am go social media. So if Felicia tell dem the truth, like clarify herself say me and this person we never see ourselves before, na social media me and this person for get issue, dem no go tell Frank say no bring the issue on social media. If I dey wrong, una correct me. So our next comment come say this ebony account must be 76 teeth Monica because she too dey fear defend. She too dey feed defeat. Okay. Our next comment no dem dey reply ebony pepper sweet now say e come say how can they talk about things that happen on social media and at the same time they do not want the issue on social media? Full full everywhere. Frank Victor, keep going. Do not be disturbed by barking dogs. We the Facebook garden are soda behind you, solid behind you. My people, if my pronunciation not correct, I will put am on and see the pronunciation. So the next person wey reply ebony pepper dey come say who Juju help? Juju no dey your state again. That is why they are selling land for 5 people. Juju man that come to social media must be rubbished. Yeah. If Juju man come social media, may ready for social media people. Na so e reach. Na so e reach. So our next commenter come say na wow, but God pass them. So our next commenter come say again, say wait oh, I think say her papa just die oh. 25,000 comot for burial money. How much remain? They really say who you fit beat na dem dey fight na dem dey fight cry. Our next comment come say abeg Frank Victor, no mind those hungry obe. Tell dem say na social media the thing for start. Abeg na social media e go for still end. Tell dem say na abroad you and Felicia dey make she fight you here. No be native doctor for Naija. You go put dem for live video because na your live video Felicia call you that insult you. They insult you. So our next comment come say congratulations to you. Wetin be congratulations for what? Abi you no read wetin happen? They carry juju paper come you, they say congratulations. Felicia go school. This is so crazy, really crazy, really crazy. Like you carry, una go make any noise, una go cough for social media, una run go carry juju paper because una get money to waste. Now go bongo go carry juju because una get juju phone number. Una anything happen, una will run go dey carry juju. That is so bad, like e no good at all. Wetin come the one wey come even worse pass, like this issue happen for social media, una now come dey say make Umenwan not carry am come social media. Who does that? Who does that, my people? God bless you, my amazing people. If I'm wrong, correct me. So now wetin dey my mind near I talk, everybody get opinion. If I dey very wrong, wanna correct me. So my wonderful people, God bless you all for your lovely support, your amazing support. I appreciate all of una. When they try to subscribe to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel by hitting this red that says subscribe, and also on your notification bell in case when I make gbagba una go receive am for una side. I beg my amazing people, not forget to share this video, give our video thumbs up. God bless you. I love you from Commenters Analyzer TV. See you on my next video. Bye.